Healthy, easy, and just $3 a serving. Watch this. As you saw, I started with carrots, then added the sweet potatoes about 3-4 minutes later. Cooking time depends on your heat level and whether you like your veggies soft or with a bit of crunch. Just be sure not to overcook them into mush. Carrots and sweet potatoes especially lose their appeal that way, unless you prefer them softer. To speed things up, I use low sodium vegetable broth instead of oil. You can also use plain water. This not only helps everything cook faster, but also keeps the dish lighter without relying on too much oil. You can finish this dish with one of two perfect sauces, herb yogurt or herb tahini for a vegan option. Personally, not big fan of tahini, but yogurt sauce is just perfect. Here is the serving size and calorie information for the dish with each sauce. So please enjoy, and as always, feel free to adjust the seasoning and ingredients to your liking. I'm enjoying it with yogurt sauce. Excellent. I have the recipe for both sauces down below the description, so check them out if you're interested. Enjoy! So this was a quick, healthy meal that's light on the wallet, perfect for seniors or anyone, and super easy to clean up. Love one pan wonders with a twist. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out my other videos. I'm here to share both Mediterranean flavors and one pan creations with less mess, more taste for healthy, no fuss cooking. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your time. Stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video as we explore another one pan creations. Take care.